Hello viewers, today we are going to make silly hairstyles and for that we need some cupcake liners like this, and we need some paper curls for decorations on the hair, and we need rubber bands to tie the hair, and I have a scissor, and I'm going to make a cupcake hairstyle, so we need the cupcake decoration stuffs and comb. Mitu, are you ready for the silly hairstyle?
Yeah!
Okay, let's begin. First, remove all the tangles if you have in the hair. And now I have divided the hair across the head. You can also divide it in the center. And Mitu, can you please bend? And divide it on the back for the two plaits. And now we are going to tie the hair all the way up. All the way up. Get the hair to all the way up and tie the hair on that all the way to the top. Okay, now it's done on one side and we'll go to the other side. Ready to make all silly stuffs over the hair. And what you have to do is, we have to pick a cupcake liner. Mitu, what do you want? Which one you want?
This one?
This one? Okay. So we'll pick this yellow one. And you need to cut the cupcake liner in the center. First, cut once and see whether the hair go inside the cupcake liner. Slowly make the hair go inside the cupcake liner and then place it over the top. Okay, and then after that, there are some paper curls. Cut them into half, whatever you can use. You can use even a satin ribbon for this decoration. I'm using the blue and green liner, blue curls. Mitu, turn this side. Just tie it on the top of the hair. It gives a celebration look on the hair. Just make a single knot and you can leave the curls like this. If you have any toppers, cupcake toppers, you can pin them right in the center of this tail, this pony. Just you can show it up like this. I have cupcake shaped topper. You can use any of them. Even you can use your favorite character cupcake toppings, and you can place it in the middle of the band where you have tied here, so that it will show outside. This is what the silly hairstyle looks like. Midhu, do you like it?
Yeah.